An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. On July 23, 2022, at 10 p.m., Ella Gasca was abducted from Pico Rivera, California. Ella Gasca is a 1-year-old Hispanic female, 2 feet tall, weighing 29 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Ella Gasca is believed to be wearing a gray Disney princess sweater and gray pants. The victim's mother was also taken. Bianca Alvarado is a 24-year-old Hispanic female, 5 feet 1 inch tall, weighing 135 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Bianca Alvarado is believed to be wearing a blue and white tie-dye hoodie and pink shorts. The suspect, Jason Gasca, is a 25-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 210 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2015 black Nissan Sentra, with California license plate number 7XYZ895.